So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what is the decomposition tree in Power BI. So the decomposition tree visual allows us to visualize data across various dimensions, fields, and categories. It automatically aggregates data while also it allows us to drill down into the data for analysis. It is a powerful tool that tells us a story in just a few clicks. There are some advantage of this visual, like this visual is mainly used for root cause analysis. It has AI visualization capabilities. So let's move on and see how we can make a decomposition tree. So as you guys can see in the in the visualization pane, we have one decomposition tree visual. You just have to double click on this and then it will get added into your report. Now let's see what all fields it has. So the first field it has is analyze, and the second one is explain by. So analyze is a measure or dimension that needs to be analyzed, mainly an aggregation function. And the explain by is a dimension by which we want to explore the above selected dimension. So as you guys can see, in analyze I have put sales, and in explain by I have put subcategories, categories, and region. So the first branch that I am getting is the major, which is basically the analyze field. So in this, I have put sales. So over here, it is showing me total sales, which is 2.94 million. And in front of this bar, we have one plus icon. So let's see what it tells us. So if I click on this, it is telling me all the fields which are there in explain by. Let's say I want to see the sales by category. So I will click on categories. So as you guys can see, over here, I have three categories: technology, office supplies, and furniture. And out of three, technology is generating the highest sales, which is 1.11 million. Let's say now I want to see all the subcategories of technology. So I will click plus in front of technology and I will select subcategory. So these are my subcategories of technology because I have expanded this tree from technology. Now these are all the subcategories. Let's say for phones, I want to see data by region. So in front of phones bar, there is plus icon. I will just click on it and will select region. So basically in this way, one can make decision decomposition tree, which tells us a lot in just few clicks. Now these are all tabs over here. So first one is category, second one is subcategory, and third one is region. In category, I have selected technology. In subcategory, I have selected phones, and in region, I have not selected anything. So I will, as of now, I will just remove them. Now let's see what I was talking about AI technology. So if you click plus on this, you guys can see two options: high value and low value. So basically, high value over here, the decomposition tree AI considers all the dimensions in the explain by field. So over here in the explain by field, I have three majors. One is category, one is subcategory, and one is region. So out of which it will pick the field with highest value if I select highest value. And same goes for low value. Let's say, let's select high value. So as you guys can see, once I have selected high value, it is showing me the region, right? The tree got decomposed into region. Let's see why it is doing this. Suppose I'm expanding this tree on the basis of category. So highest sales is 1.11 if you're talking about category. If you're talking about subcategory, then the highest sales is around 0.37 million. And if you talk about region, the highest sales is 1.72 million, which is highest among all the three fields which are there in explain by, which is category, subcategory, and region. That's why whenever I'm selecting high value, the tree got decomposed into region thing. Let's say what if we do low value? Ideally, it should be subcategory because the lowest value was for subcategory, and yes, we are right. We are getting subcategory thing. So in this way, one can make use of decomposition tree into their Power BI reports. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.